Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So you got all this kind of fresh meat everywhere. That looks really nice. So yeah, this one is all part of this kind of Mercado area. But it is, the lighting is just about perfect right now. Okay, so we're kind of near this marketplace, this yellow building right here. It's a Mercado, and they just restored it a little bit. So we're going to be walking by it and kind of filming it and capturing it in the lighting, and just kind of give you an idea what this whole street looks like. Okay, so stay tuned. Mercado 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So this, actually they've been restoring it for a little while, so this is going to be our target street right here, up and down this street. So we're going to come back to this in a moment. So we kind of started right there, and we're going to come back. Some nice balconies here too. So let's go into this Mercado. Mercado Municipal, 1939 I think it said. And yeah, this is all like redone. So you got all this kind of fresh meat everywhere. That looks really nice. So yeah, this was completely different. So they created these new stalls. Looks really clean as well. In the past, they didn't really want you to film in here, and I think partly because it was not so clean, but now there's like, it's really, really clean. Looks nice. So okay, that's amazing. So I'm going to cover this whole street. So we basically just kind of checked out the Mercado slightly, and then we're going to go to the beginning of the street. And there's a little space you can go over the main road. We'll see that road in a different angle. This is going to be our focus street right here, and we're on these ones that go up towards Sao Januario Hospital, so they go up this hill. But anyways, this is our target street, and it's called oh, actually the name of the street is right there, Rua de Horta y Costa. So I thought it was Mercado Street, but it actually has a different name. The one parallel has a Mercado name, so we're going to capture that in a moment. So yeah, you can see Largo de Mercado Municipal on that street sign. So this one is actually Horta y Costa. That's actually the Mercado. So we're gonna follow our street. They do have some things out here, but it looks like they're closed down a little bit. It's about 5 p.m. I don't know if they closed because it's, I just don't know. There's some nice little restaurants in here too. Pork chop bun. Another restaurant. Then what you're missing on this side is these little tiny kitchens everywhere. Let me just see. So that's kind of a cool looking restaurant design. Okay, so let's go back, and we're gonna just keep on going down. Got some nice balconies, got some nice murals as well. The lights are coming on as well. There's the Mercado. Here's another space right in here. This is where we started at. So it's actually, people will come through here as well. Let's do a little 360 because it is kind of a cool space. Grand Lisboa in the background, you can see it way up in the above the rooftops. This goes up into the hills. Way up there's Janeiro Hospital. And then this is going to come out to the end of the space. So yeah, this one is all part of this kind of Mercado area. So yeah, and the lighting is just about perfect right now too. Okay, so we're just gonna go a little bit further. There's our street sign right there. Horta Costa. Got some barbershops right there as well. Looks about perfect right now with the sun. Okay, so we're gonna let's go a little bit further down. And then next we're gonna just come out to the base of the street. So yeah, this is Horta y Costa. And then yeah, this is like kind of a major thoroughfare, so all this traffic is coming from north to south. And it leads into, I forget the name of this particular street, but there's some kind of cool balcony right there. And then this one, people can walk across this way because this street is kind of unsafe to run across because of all the traffic that comes across. But nonetheless, this beautiful street was our target street. All kinds of cool stuff everywhere in here. The lighting is just about perfect. And I'm just gonna stick with it just slightly more and go back to our starting spot. But it is the lighting is just about perfect right now. So there you go, Horta y Costa. I'll end it. I think I'll end it at the Mercado. The lighting is really nice. So there you go, Mercado Municipal 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.